Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. This is gold chart. Currently gold prices are trading $1,803. It made high around almost 1,805. Yesterday I have given a buy signal to my paid subscribers. I have given a buy around 1785 yesterday. We have booked partial profit around 1795 and we were holding few of our position. We booked our profit finally at 1804. So we booked around $1,900 profit in gold alone. Silver also had profit around $2,000. So our yesterday and today's gains are around $4,000. So if you want to avail my paid signal, you can send message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen right now. WhatsApp number is also available in description. Make sure you only WhatsApp on these number. This is not a calling number. Now gold is trading at $1,803. The trend is pretty clear that we are in a positive zone right now. So let's quickly find out the resistance and support. 1789 will act as support now. If gold break and sustain below this support, then expect gold prices to test up to 1780 and 1770. Resistance at 1815. If gold break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 1825 and 1840. Currently gold prices are in pretty positive zone, so trade accordingly. Yesterday we also had data which was more or less positive. I have already updated those data and details on my Telegram and Twitter. I usually update my Telegram and Twitter with the latest data and support resistance, so make sure you follow there as well. All links are in description. Let's move on to silver price. This is silver. Silver was also positive yesterday and we also had a buy in silver. We also made around $2,000 in silver yesterday itself. Currently it is trading 22.43. Again it is trading in positive zone, there is no doubt about that. So let's quickly refresh the levels for today. $22.20 will act as support now. If silver break and sustain below this support for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then silver will enter in weak zone once again. After that, silver prices could retrace up to $22 and $21.80. Resistance at 22.65. If silver break and sustain above this level, then expect silver to test up to 22.90 and 23.20. Currently gold and silver both are trading in pretty positive zone. I would advise to trade accordingly according to the trend. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. It made high around 72.25 today and yesterday it made high around 72.97. Again it made same high and $73 was not broken, so please stay cautious. Now resistance support will be updating. However, the trend is same. The trend is positive as of now, but if you want to buy fresh, I would advise you to wait at least crude oil break $73. I am updating the trend as positive, but if you are looking for long term buy or if you want to go for major lots buying, then I would advise wait crude oil till it breaks $73. Let's find out the resistance and support now. 70.80 will act as support today. If crude oil break and sustain below this support, then expect crude oil to test up to $70 and $69. Resistance at $73 and that is a very major resistance. If crude oil break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 74 and $75. Currently gold, silver and crude oil, all three commodities are trading in positive zone. I will also upload weekly analysis tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon. Let's move on to forex. First we will see euro. This is euro, currently trading 1330 almost. It made high around 1360 yesterday and then went back up to 1300. Now trying to find back up to 1330. it is still trading in positive zone despite this 1360 to 1300 journey. So let's find out the resistance and support for euro today. 1300, that is the support today. If euro break and sustain below this support, then expect euro to test up to 1270 and 1250. Resistance at 1365. If euro break and sustain above this, then expect 1390 and even 1420 is also possible. Currently euro is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to pound. This is British pound, currently trading 33.22. Interestingly, it is also trading in positive zone. So let's find out the resistance and support for British pound. 32.80 will act as support in British pound today. If pound break 32.80 and sustain below the support, then expect 32.40 and 3200. Resistance at 33.60. Sustain above this may result up to 3400. Currently pound is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. It is trading in positive zone. Let's have support and resistance for Bitcoin today. Bitcoin support stands at 47,450 dollars, just few dollars away. Resistance at $49,100. Trend is positive, but if 47,450 breaks and sustain below this, then Bitcoin will enter in weak zone. Now let's move on to Indian markets. First we will see Indian market gold. This is MCX gold, currently trading 48,750-760. MCX gold resistance at 48,950, that is 950. Support at 48,580. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post by clicking the join button. I have also posted copper, natural gas levels in community post, so you can check those as well by clicking the join button. Now silver is trading 62,100. Silver resistance at 62,480, 480, and support stands at 61,700 rupees. If you have enjoyed this video or if you find this video useful, please click the like button. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is flashing on your screen right now. I also do live streaming Monday to Friday from 6:30 to 7:30 on my streaming channel. Streaming channel link is in description. Now I will see you in streaming. Till then, take care. Bye bye.